Welcome to Young Urban Project's YouTube channel. I'm Puneet Tandon and I've tested dozens of AI tools so you don't have to. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 28 AI tools organized exactly how marketers actually work, from research to content to video analytics, SEO, and automation. No hype and no random tools, just a ready reckoner that you can save and reuse. Let's start with research because bad inputs always lead to bad marketing. The first tool every marketer should know about is Notebook LM by Google. This is not a chatbot. You upload PDFs, reports, competitor blogs, and strategy documents, and it helps you summarize, understand, and connect ideas inside your own data. If you do strategy or content, this alone can save you hours every week, and it's free to use. Two more tools here are Elicit and Cite. These are perfect when you want data backed insights instead of opinions, especially for SEO, long form content, and authority building. The next category is copywriting. Two popular tools here are Jasper AI and Copy.ai. These tools don't replace thinking, they replace blank pages. They are especially useful for generating ad variations, drafting emails, and creating first versions of landing pages. If you already understand copy fundamentals, these tools dramatically increase your speed. Now, let's talk about visuals. Canva AI is easily one of the highest ROI tools for marketers, and I use it almost daily. I love it. You can use it for social posts, ads, presentations, and creative assets at scale. Then there's Adobe Firefly, which is important if you work with brands that care about copyright and brand safety. And finally, Google Pomeli. It is still experimental but very interesting for creative exploration and idea generation. Amazing for social media marketers. You can use a VPN to access it. Next category is video. This is where AI is moving the fastest. Hagen is great for talking head style explainer videos and sales videos without actually recording yourself. It is especially useful for marketers who want speed and consistency. Tools like Runway ML, VO3, and Sora are pushing the future of AI video generation too. They're powerful for B roll, concept videos, and creative experiments. And if you want fast, simple marketing videos without complexity, InVideo works really well. For social media growth and scheduling, Hootsuite AI helps with captions, planning, and consistency across platforms. Freedis.ai is very underrated, especially for Instagram and LinkedIn content ideas. If posting regularly is your biggest challenge, these tools are a great place to get started. Now, let's talk about email marketing. HubSpot is excellent if you are in SaaS or growth marketing. Prevo and Klaviyo are great for segmentation, automations, and building smarter, more personalized email campaigns. Remember, AI doesn't mean sending more emails, it means sending more relevant ones. Analytics is where many marketers get stuck. Google Analytics 4 is still essential, but it is harder to understand than ever. That's where AI support becomes valuable. Hotjar has AI features that are especially useful because it shows you why users behave the way they do, not just what they do. This is the category that actually saves the most time. Notion AI becomes your second brain as a marketer, helping you organize ideas, plans, and execution. Tools like Zapier, Pabbly, Make, and N8N, they help you connect all of these things like lead forms, CRMs, emails, spreadsheets, and notifications. Once your workflow is automated, there is no going back. Now for SEO, two tools stand out. SEMrush and Surfer help with keyword research, content briefs, and on-page optimization. And now they have AI features too. Also a special mention to Ahrefs. SEO without AI today is simply slower than it needs to be, especially if you are producing content at scale. Our final category is short form content. Veed.io and Opus Clip turn one long video into multiple short clips automatically. If growth matters to you in the future, this category is non negotiable. Now, here's the real deal, you don't need that many tools, you just need the right ones for your workflow. Use AI to save time and think better, not to feel overwhelmed. If this video helped you, like it, save it, and subscribe. It really matters to us. And if you want a video on a particular topic, comment that and we'll take a look. Thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.